this may be the last dive knife you ever have to purchase. Our pick for the best folding knife is the Spyderco Salt 2. Let's take a look at the Spyderco Salt 2 plain edge dive knife. The Spyderco Salt 2 is a stainless steel folding knife made from LC200 steel. Its total length is just over 7 inches. The blade length itself is right at 3 inches. When you close it, the overall length is just at 4¼ inches, and it weighs a mere 1.9 ounces, super lightweight. You can get this edge in the plain edge or the spider edge. Comes with a simple push lock mechanism. Push in, close it. Makes it to where you're not reaching across the blade as you close it while you're underwater trying to manage all the other stuff. We really like this knife. All around great knife. We love the size of it. Fits great in your hand. Small enough to clip anywhere on your BC. Clip it to a D-ring. Doesn't have a sheath. Doesn't have any calf straps. How do you get that attached on? Now a lot of people will see the belt clip and think, oh, I'm just going to clip it on there. Well, that might work good, but until you hit a wave or something on the wreck, and guess what, it's gone. That's a highly expensive piece of equipment. So what I started doing is the same way we've been carrying our small backup lights forever. You add a piece of hair tie, bungee cord, tubing, anything you like, and you put it where you want it, and you have it wedged in. And now Spyderco has these open holes here. You just clip one side of a clip to the other and one side of your D-ring. That's not going anywhere. And even if it does come out of this cord, it's safe. But we put it in that cord to keep away from the danglies. We don't want any of those danglies hitting out, hitting the coral, hitting our buddies, getting us caught on something. So that's how I strap on Spyderco knives. I love this. Got the hole, the opening there. It's actually a thumb hole, but it works great for this when you're diving. It works great. This is how I recommend doing it. Spyderco does run a few dollars more than other brands that we tested, but with Spyderco, you're definitely getting high quality. This may be the last dive knife you ever have to purchase. If you're not used to using a folding knife while you're diving, you've got to try it, and I really recommend the Salt 2. This is a great knife to use in all circumstances while diving. Super easy to open. It's got the trademark Spyderco circle. Easy to just pull out, and you can feel it and hear that lock. When we were cutting with it, the 550 cord, nylon rope, it cut through everything. This knife is going to stay sharp for a long time, and Spyderco takes care of their knives. I like the locking mechanism. It's a simple push button. Push, fold it, and it's closed. It's there. It's easy to use even with the thickest of gloves. Using those 7 mils, I was able to push that down and close this and not get it snagged on anything. Great performance while we tested it. Really love this knife. Hey, as we close out talking about the Spyderco Salt 2, can't help but mention some other knives that are pretty similar to that. The Spyderco Caribbean Sheep's Foot, great knife, and the Benchmade H2O dive knife. All three of these are super great knives. Super durable, great efficient, great knives from great companies, great materials. You won't be disappointed. If you like what we're doing, go ahead and hit those buttons below. Like, share, and subscribe. Leave us a comment, let us know where you're watching from. Until next time, see ya.